Hey guys, thanks for tuning in again. This episode of Classic Cars 101, we are going to discuss the 3 on the tree, the 3-speed manual on the column. A lot of guys I hear from don't know how to drive them. They're kind of scared of them. Not sure exactly what they are, how they work. So we're here to eliminate that mystery for you and show you exactly how to drive a 3 on the tree. So the test subject we're going to use today is this 69 C10. It's a 350 V8 with a 3 on the tree. So we're going to jump inside here and show you guys how to drive it, get it through the gears. Actually, the gentleman who bought this truck even told me he has never driven a 3 on the tree. He's driven a lot of manuals, but is unfamiliar with how to do the 3 on the tree. So, you know, this video will be for him as well. All right, so a 3 on the tree is the same pattern as if it were a 3 on the floor. So if you think of it as an H, and in the top left of your H you have reverse, bottom left of the H is first, you go through, top right is second, bottom right is third. So find neutral here, you're going to come towards you and up, that's going to be reverse. We'll back it up just a little bit to show that. There we go. Straight down from that is first. We're going to drive down the road here and just kind of pop the e-brake, show you how this thing works getting it through the gears. So it's very, very simple, nothing to be intimidated by. Alright, so we've got first there, go back up to the middle, over and up is second. Again, just kind of come up to the middle, over, and up into second, and then straight down for third. We'll go down here and do that one more time. Get turned around. And absolutely nothing to be intimidated by. They're very, very easy to drive. You know how to drive a manual, you can jump in a 3 on the tree and figure it out. This video is just to kind of help you guys understand the pattern. And it doesn't matter, at least from what I've seen, Chevy, Ford, Dodge, it doesn't matter. All the 3 on the trees I've seen are the same pattern. So again, that's second, straight down from there is third. So again, if you just think of it as an H, you're going from the bottom left to the top right to the bottom right. That's first, second, third. Nothing to it. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and like this video if it helped you out.